Hello students, you were saying it was, how it was a panic situation in the narrator's house, and actually by this time my mother is still shouting, pursued by Herman, is still shouting, was trying to open the door to the attic in order to go up and get my father's body out of the wreckage. The door was stuck, however, and wouldn't yield. Her frantic pulls on it only added to the general banging and confusion. So what's happening here? Everyone is just rushing to the narrator's father's room, in the attic where he was actually sleeping. First his mother was shouting, and then the shouting of his mother was actually followed by Herman's shouting, and then everyone was actually trying to open the door, and actually door was stuck up because his father's body was actually close to it, because of he has not died, he has not died, he is still alive, but because he is sleeping, as he is sleeping there, and the bed has fallen over him. In the previous paragraph you saw that it was actually on Herman's body, it was on narrator's body, the bed actually fell, but everyone thought that the bed has actually fell upon the father's body. So what is the reality? We will get to know that. And then as the bed was not opening up, her mother, the mother of narrator, actually tried frantically. And what is the word frantic means? With full energetically, and with full power, and consecutively with full speed, लगातार पूरा पावर से खोलने की कोशिश करना. And that is why actually nothing happens, but only it created the bends it adds actually in the noise that was already created in the house. Banging means the sound of banging something, door or anything. So it was actually how the things now shaping up as Roy and the dog were now up. And who was the Roy and dog? We get to know that they have a pet dog also in the family, and I suppose Roy would have been the servant of the house, or probably another brother of the narrator, but we will get to know, we will come to that again. They're now up, the one shouting questions, the other barking. So what happens actually, as look at here, Roy, as he is the person, he is not the dog, so he is shouting the questions, but the dog will not do anything but bark. So the dog was actually barking, but Roy was actually shouting questions. So the only difference between humans and dog, the not difference, the similarity actually, when you are shouting, something, when you are shouting without thinking about anything, when you are making unnecessary noise, that is actually like dog. So shouting question, when you are questioning, you should not shout. So shouting questions is like a dog, or like a dog's barking. That's what the in a satirical way the writer has tried to present before us. And then what happens actually? Father farthest away and soundest sleeper of all. But actually father, as for the father of the narrator is concerned, he is always the soundest sleeper. What does the soundest sleeper? His sleep is very deep, and he rarely wakes up, and for awakening him from the slumber, you will have to shout very loud. You would have seen such persons in your real life also, and had by this time been awakened by the battering on the attic door. He decided that the house was on fire. I am coming. And whatever the sound actually the father heard from all the noise, he get to know that the house, the fire has actually caught into his house, and that is why he is saying that I am coming, just in the sleep, that I am coming. That's what he is speaking.